All right, good morning. It's Friday. You know what that means. It is the dessert diva time, and we are serving up a taste of Mardi Gras.
All right, so fill us in. What's happening?
Okay, guys. So Fat Tuesday is, well, Tuesday, coming up.
Right.
So you celebrate Mardi Gras before that, and not just king cakes are popular, everything pecan. Actually, I was going to do pecan pralines, or if you live in Louisiana or French, it's pralines,
Okay.
But I'm not, so
Nolans.
I say Nolans, I say praline.
Do you say mama in them?
But, what?
Have you
Your
ever heard
mama
that
in
one?
them?
No. So instead of pecan pie, so I took the pecans and we're making bourbon because, Bourbon Street, and that's very popular at Mardi Gras. Well, drinking anything is.
Right.
But, let's
That's
just
year-round
do that.
there.
Let's just do the bourbon. But these are bourbon chocolate pecan pie bars. Yeah.
I took a little sampling during the commercial break, and I'm here to tell you they are delicious. How do you make them?
Well, we're going to start with the crust. We're
Okay.
doing, instead of the pie crust, we're doing like a little bit of shortbread crust. So it's very simple. It's 8 tablespoons butter, quarter cup brown sugar, and a cup of flour.
Okay.
Mix that up, crumble it up, and you press it down into a 9x13 inch pan, and you're going to bake this first.
Okay.
So while this is baking, get all your stuff together. You can see how simple it is. I mean, it's going to be zip zop. Okay, so first we're going to do 3 eggs because it's similar to a pecan pie. You know that pecan pie with we're not using corn syrup. We're going to use maple syrup instead. But that pecan pie has that great feeling. And
Right.
It's just that. Do you really know?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. I'm
Yeah.
just making sure.
I didn't know that was brown sugar. I
I thought this was cinnamon, but that's adorable, though. I was like, honey, that is a lot of cinnamon, but that's okay. All right, so 3 eggs. We're going to beat them into a frenzy because there's no baking
Be
powder or any
gentle with it.
leaven.
Don't beat it
No,
up.
you
Yeah,
have to
be
beat it.
gentle.
Yeah.
You have to, because you want it to rise, David, rise. All right, so we're doing 3 eggs. Now we're going to do quarter cup to a half a cup. This is about a half a cup, not cinnamon.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, yes. We're going to beat that up. And then we're going to do maple syrup instead of the corn syrup. And that's still, you want a little thickness in this, a little bit of a richness. And so there's really only that half a cup of brown sugar, and the rest of the sugar comes from the maple syrup.
Okay.
So we're going to do that. And then we have butter. Again, you need it to be a little bit rich.
Now you're getting to my favorite.
Don't forget. Well, and
Oh,
then
almost.
and then 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now I use vanilla. We're still using the bourbon, but it's good to use the vanilla because it balances out the bourbon and
Okay.
the sweets. Okay, so now we're doing the bourbon. We're going to do a quarter cup. I'm doing 4 roses because that's my favorite to bake with. We're going to do a quarter cup, 1 for the dessert, 1
That's what I
for
bake with,
Gail.
Or just drink
That's right.
straight.
That's right. So you can see this. So we're going to stir this up, and you can tell it's starting to become a little bit thick, and you want to just kind of keep on. This is going to bake for 10 minutes, so you can actually get this done while the crust is
Okay.
baking.
This is really good.
So what's my time
Isn't it?
limit here? How
You're
am I
about
doing?
15 seconds.
Oh, okay. And then we're going to do chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips if you can't find chocolate chunks. I prefer chocolate chunks. I think it looks better. Pecan halves, and break a few up. Dump that in, and that is it. You pour that over that. This is going to bake for about 35 minutes, and let the good times roll.
Easy
Because
breezy.
That's what it is. I mean, that's it, and enjoy your Fat Tuesday.
This
and
is
then
delicious.
Don't eat anything on Wednesday.
Right.
Ashwin. That's it.
I approve.
We're going to bring some back for you guys.
All right, laissez le bon temps rouler, right? All right, 50 degrees.